Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to reduce stomach fat and achieve that flatter abdomen you've been dreaming of. Let's get started with some effective strategies you can implement right away. First up, let's talk about diet. Focusing on a healthy diet is crucial. Aim for balanced meals that include whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These will nourish your body and keep you satisfied. Next, it's important to reduce sugars and refined carbs. Cut back on sugary drinks, desserts, and white bread. These can contribute to belly fat and lead to unwanted cravings. Increase your fiber intake with foods like beans, lentils, and whole grains. Fiber helps you feel full longer and aids digestion, making it a powerful tool in your weight loss journey. Don't forget to stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day supports your metabolism and helps reduce bloating. Aim for at least 8 cups daily. Now, let's move on to regular exercise. Aim for 150 minutes of cardiovascular workouts each week. Activities like running, cycling, swimming, or brisk walking are fantastic for burning calories and improving heart health. Don't forget about strength training. Incorporate resistance exercises 2-3 times a week to build muscle, which can increase your resting metabolic rate. Think about adding weights or body weight exercises to your routine. Also, include core exercises like planks, crunches, and leg raises to strengthen your abdominal muscles. A strong core is essential for a flatter belly. Next up, let's talk about lifestyle changes. Getting enough sleep is vital. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Poor sleep can lead to weight gain and increased cravings. Managing stress is another key factor. Practice stress-reducing techniques like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises. Stress can lead to unhealthy eating habits, so find what works for you. And remember to limit alcohol consumption. Reducing alcohol can help decrease calorie intake and reduce belly fat. Consistency is key. Set realistic goals and aim for gradual weight loss, about 1 to 2 pounds per week. Keep track of your progress with a food diary or apps to stay accountable. If you're struggling to lose that stubborn belly fat, consider consulting a professional. A healthcare provider or registered dietitian can give you personalized advice and support. By combining these strategies, you can work towards reducing stomach fat and improving your overall health. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and share your journey in the comments below. Let's flatten that belly together. Until next time, stay fit and fabulous.